Welcome to the Grand Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I think so. Wait, how do I say this in English?
Ryan, don't worry. Let me teach you.
Please, I always get nervous at hotels.
Okay, everyone, if you're checking in to a hotel, learn this one sentence right now. I have a reservation under the name Ryan Smith.
I have a reservation under the name Ryan Smith.
Perfect. That's the first thing you say at check-in.
That's it? That easy?
Yes. Now let me teach you everything else you need to know.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent Friends, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan, and today we're at a hotel.
Yes, today we're learning essential English for hotels, checking in, booking a room, and asking important questions.
This is perfect if you're traveling to an English-speaking country.
You'll learn exactly what to say at the front desk so you feel confident.
No more nervous moments at hotels.
But before we start, we have a quick favor.
If you enjoy our conversations, please hit the like button.
And subscribe to Fluent Friends. We want to help you speak English confidently.
And share this with your friends who are learning English.
All right, let's check in to our hotel.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Hotel.
Hello? Good afternoon.
How can I help you today?
I want to, sleep here?
Ryan, you don't say I want to sleep here.
Okay. What do I say?
You say, I have a reservation, or I'd like to check in.
Oh, I have a reservation.
Great. What name is the reservation under?
Under? What does that mean?
Under the name means in whose name did you book? Your name?
Oh, my name is Ryan Smith.
Perfect. So you say, the reservation is under the name Ryan Smith. Or, I have a reservation under Ryan Smith.
I have a reservation under Ryan Smith.
This sentence is very useful. Every hotel will ask you this question.
Good to know.
Okay, Mr. Smith, let me check. Yes, I see your reservation here. You booked a double room for 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. Can I see your ID and credit card, please?
ID and credit card, of course. Here you go.
Thank you. I'll just need a moment to process this. Okay, Mr. Smith, everything looks good. Do you have any questions?
Yes, actually. How do I ask about Wi-Fi?
Good question. You say, is Wi-Fi included? Or do you have free Wi-Fi?
Excuse me, is Wi-Fi included?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free for all guests. The password is on your key card.
Great, thank you.
What else should you ask, Ryan?
Breakfast?
Yes, you ask, is breakfast included in the price?
Is breakfast included in the price?
Yes, breakfast is included. It's served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining room on the first floor.
Perfect. What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 a.m. Listen carefully, everyone. Always ask these questions. Is Wi-Fi included? Is breakfast included? What time is checkout?
Checkout. What's that?
Checkout means the time when you must leave the hotel room.
Oh, so I ask, what time is checkout?
Exactly. Usually, it's 11 a.m. or 12 p.m., noon.
What time is checkout?
Okay, Ryan, let me explain something important.
What is it?
Do you know the difference between book a room and reserve a room?
Aren't they the same?
Almost, but let me explain. Book and reserve mean the same thing. You arrange to stay at the hotel before you arrive.
So I can say I booked a room or I reserved a room?
Exactly. Both are correct.
Which one is more common?
In hotels, people usually say book, like, I booked a room online.
I booked a room online.
Perfect. But reservation, the noun, is very common, like, I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
Good. So remember, book is the verb, reservation is the noun.
Book is action, reservation is the thing.
Exactly. Let me give you examples. Save this one, everyone. Here are useful sentences. I'd like to book a room for 2 nights.
I'd like to book a room for 2 nights.
I made a reservation online.
I made a reservation online.
Can I change my reservation?
Can I change my reservation?
I need to cancel my booking.
I need to cancel my booking.
See? You can use both words.
That's clear now. Thank you.
Okay, now let me teach you some important hotel words you'll hear.
Yes, please. I need this.
First word is deposit.
Deposit. What's that?
Deposit is money the hotel holds temporarily. They give it back when you leave if everything is okay.
Oh, so they take some money first and return it later.
Exactly. The hotel might say, we need a $100 deposit.
We need a $100 deposit. Got it.
Next word is key card.
Key card. I know this one. It's the plastic card that opens my room.
Perfect. Not a metal key, but a plastic card with a magnetic strip.
Right. What else?
Amenities.
Amenities? That's a hard word.
Amenities are the extra things the hotel offers, like a gym, pool, spa, or free coffee.
Oh, so if the hotel has a pool, that's an amenity.
Exactly. You can ask, what amenities do you have?
What amenities do you have?
This sounds natural. Listen, does the hotel have a gym? What amenities are included?
Does the hotel have a gym? What amenities are included?
Perfect. Now, another important word, complimentary.
Complimentary.
Complimentary
Complimentary.
means free. Like, we offer complimentary breakfast.
Oh, so complimentary equals free.
Yes, it sounds more professional than just saying free.
Complimentary breakfast. I like that.
One more. Upgrade.
Upgrade.
Upgrade means getting a better room. Like you booked a standard room, but they give you a bigger room for free or for extra money.
Oh, so upgrade equals better room.
Exactly. You might hear, would you like to upgrade to a suite?
Would you like to upgrade to a suite?
Yes, a suite is a very big, fancy room.
Nice. I want a suite.
Ryan, what if something is wrong with my room?
Good question. Let me teach you how to report problems.
Yes, this is important. Okay, if something doesn't work, you call the front desk and say, I'm in room 305 and...
I'm in room 305 and...
Then you explain the problem. For example, the air conditioning isn't working.
The air conditioning isn't working.
Or the TV doesn't work.
The TV doesn't work.
Or there's no hot water.
There's no hot water.
Good. And the hotel will say, we'll send someone right away. Or we'll send maintenance.
Maintenance? What's that?
Maintenance is the person who fixes things in the hotel.
Oh, like a repair person.
Exactly. Many learners make this mistake. They say, the TV is broken. But it's better to say, the TV doesn't work, or the TV isn't working.
The TV isn't working. More natural.
Yes, and if you need extra towels or pillows, you say, can I have extra towels, please?
Can I have extra towels, please?
Perfect. Or, can I get more pillows?
Can I get more pillows?
Excellent. The hotel will bring them to your room. All right, Fluent Friends, time for our tips section.
Yes, here are 4 essential tips for staying at hotels in English.
Tip number 1. Always confirm your check-in and check-out times when you arrive.
Yes, ask what time is checkout so you don't get charged extra money.
Exactly. Most hotels charge you if you stay past checkout time.
Tip number 2. Write down the Wi-Fi password. Hotels give you the password, but sometimes you forget.
Good tip. Or take a photo of the information card in your room. Tip number 3. If you need something, always call the front desk or reception.
Don't be shy. They're there to help you. Just say, "This is room 305. I need..."
Perfect.
Yes. Tip number 4. Learn these emergency words. Fire exit, emergency exit, do not disturb.
Yes. Fire exit is the door you use if there's a fire. Do not disturb is the sign you put on your door when you don't want cleaning service.
Very important for safety and privacy.
Okay, Ryan, let's do a quick recap.
Yes. What did we learn today?
First, what do you say when you arrive at the hotel?
I have a reservation under the name Ryan Smith.
Perfect. And what questions should you ask?
Is Wi-Fi included? Is breakfast included? What time is checkout?
Excellent. What's the difference between book and reservation?
Book is the verb. I book a room. Reservation is the noun. I have a reservation.
Great. What does complimentary mean?
Complimentary means free.
And what do you say if something is wrong with your room?
I'm in room 305 and the air conditioning isn't working.
Perfect. And if you need extra towels?
Can I have extra towels, please?
Excellent, Ryan. Now you can stay at any hotel confidently.
Thank you, Emma. This was so helpful.
All right, Fluent Friends. Now we have a question for you.
Yes. Tell us, have you ever stayed at a hotel in an English-speaking country? What was your experience?
Or if you haven't stayed at a hotel yet, tell us, what hotel amenities are most important to you? Wi-Fi? Pool? Gym? Breakfast?
Write your answers in the comments. We love reading them.
And if this video helped you, please give it a like.
Subscribe to Fluent Friends for more easy English conversations.
Share this with your friends who love traveling and learning English.
Remember, don't be nervous at hotels. You now have all the English you need.
Your English is getting better every day.
We believe in you. Keep practicing.
Thank you for learning with us today, Fluent Friends.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Safe travels. Bye.